We are going to talk about passing pointers to functions uh, or passing variables as references. So the idea is the same. So let's take a simple example. We have a function add1, and in the main function, okay, this add1, what it does is plus 1. That's all it does. It adds 1. So in this case, if you look at this function, when you print x here, what do you think the value of x would be here? It's 10, the way it's written, right? You're passing x as a copy. A copy is given here. It adds 1 to it, right? But nothing, the value of x is not changed here because you send a copy. See, so how do I send references or pointer to this? For instance, this is my memory location x, and the address is 4400. When you send x here, the value is a totally new variable like we saw in functions. Okay, this will be some 4800, and if you have 10 here, this variable gets 10, it updates by 1, so it becomes 11, but that is not reflected here because there are two different memory locations. But how would I send my memory location? How do I send my location to the point a function for it to change my memory location? I don't want it to change this. I want to change this. So to do that, you have to send the address to the function, right? So the address should be like we always send. This is the address. So when you send address, now the value here is 4400, not 10 anymore. It's 4400 is what I send now. So how do it knows? Here the function has to know, has to define the signature. The signature has changed from a regular variable to address. So the way you change is a pointer. So this, we know this is the definition of a pointer. So now this is the pointer, and what is it? Pointer plus 1. What does it mean? It's a pointer arithmetic. That means we are changing the address. 4400 plus 1. 4400. Is that what you want? No, you want to change that. So to change that, you need to dereference, right? That means take the value at the pointer, which is what? 10 plus 1, 11, and put it where? Back into the pointer. So this is how the syntax for to send references to the functions, and how the function will change the pointers and pointer variables to perform the task. All right, now let's take the example. I've written the program for you which is identical to what I have written, but here I've chosen a different. Maybe I should just give me a second. Copy pointer to just pointer.c, ptr.c. I would just write the same thing as you guys. Oh, pointer, instead of pointer, it said x is equal to 10. right? X. And so we need to change all that, right? So we need to send X. That means ampersand X, right? This is my X equal to 10. I'm sending the address, and here I got the pointer, right? And here I have to change from a pointer address to dereference that, right? Now if I print X before calling, I should just remove all these guys before, and this is X, okay, after. That's it. So I'm printing X before calling the add function and after calling the function. So you should see the changes in X, right? Okay, no error. That's it. Before it was 10, now it is 11. All right. Okay, I will add this function to our library, our PowerPoint. Okay. All right. Now, the next function we wrote, I'll anyway show it to you. Now we are pointer1.c. This function is little different than here. We have everything is the same. We are using array. We're not using X anymore. Okay, and I'm using pointer. Okay, I'll explain this to you now. Copy back into the PowerPoint. Okay, that's old one. Let's go here, and in here I explain to you, this is an array. This is an array. We have 10, 20, 30, 40. This is a character array pointing to that guy. We also let me see what we are using. Pointer. Okay, let me use the pointer. A pointer also pointing to the same guy. How do we do that? Pointer equal to CA, right? So wherever CA is pointing, point to same address. Now this is a pointer, right? Previously we just sent X. Now we are going to send the pointer itself. How do I do that? The way you do that is here. Sorry, here. If you look here, let me change to char. Oops, I keep getting char. I've defined that pointer pointing to CA with 4 elements, and before, if you call star pointer, which is the dereference, it should print 10, right? It should print 10. Pointer is pointing there, and then it's adding 1, and here what is PTR? Just PTR is a address, right? If this is the variable PTR, that is the address of that location, right? I'm sorry, that is the address stored in here. Let's say 4400. So just pointer means address stored here for which is this 4400. Yeah. So you are sending the address now. We're sending the address here. Just the pointer address. And how do I change this above program to dereference that, and then you print again pointer again. So after, yeah, very simple. Previously we sent ampersand, but here we are sending the pointer itself. We don't have to send pointer, address of the pointer. Yeah. So look at this program little closely. See the subtle differences in how we send a variable as an address and a pointer itself to the function. Okay. So we'll compile this program for now. Let's see how it works. Oh, yeah. GCC pointer 1.c. Oh, we have a lot of problems. Oh, yeah. If you see here, warning, passing argument 1 of add 1 from incompatible pointer type. So that is something we need to verify. It says here expect integer star, but argument is of type character char. So this should give a clue about what mistakes we have done. Okay. You read this error. Okay. Now I'm going to show the program. Okay. Can you tell me the difference? Okay, let me take vi itself. Here it says the argument is integer star, but you are passing character star. So I need to change my function there. Char. And I have declared the signature also, that has to change too. So if you change now, this add one function signatures matches what I'm sending. There are no errors now. So pointer at 0, index before it was 10, and pointer at index after it is 11. So you see how I sending pointers now. This is how you send pointers. In the previous example, the same concept, we sent variables. Here we sent variables as references to the same function. Yeah. So in effect, I'll create a third program, pointer. I'll pointer 1.c to pointer 2.c. So pointer 2.c. If you do that, I will change this also. Character, oops, x equal to 10. Okay, 3. Okay, now I'm going to change here x. Just bear a minute. X before is that one. Now I'm going to change to okay. You see now I've used two variables. One is a pointer, one is a regular address. I'm going to change the regular address x variable to say 80. So to the same function, I'm passing a pointer once as just a pointer. On the other occasion, when I want to send a variable x, I'm sending ampersand x. That is the subtle difference you need to understand. Okay. Thank you.